Can you make Char Siu chicken in 30 minutes without an oven? Traditionally, Char Siu takes a few hours to prepare and is roasted in an oven.
I have been making Char Siu chicken this way for over 10 years now. It's always so juicy and so tasty. It only takes 30 minutes.
Slice the chicken meat about 1 inch apart without cutting all the way through. This will allow the chicken to absorb more flavors and cook faster. We'll use fermented red bean curd for the red color. It is available in most Chinese supermarkets and on Amazon. Alternatively, you can replace it with red beet juice or red food coloring. In a mixing bowl, mix together the fermented red bean curd, fermented red bean curd sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, rice wine, honey, 5-spice powder, white pepper, and water. In a pan over medium heat, place the chicken thigh skin side down. The chicken skin will release its own oil, so there's no need to add extra oil here. Pan fry for about 2 minutes until golden brown. Flip the chicken and pan fry for another 2 minutes until golden brown.
Add 3 cloves of garlic.
Add the char siu sauce that we made into the pan. Cover the pan with a lid. Braise for about 15 minutes until completely cooked through.
Because we are braising the chicken the entire time, the sauce will constantly go inside of the chicken, so we didn't even have to marinate the chicken.
And naturally, the char siu will turn out incredibly juicy. Uncover the lid, increase to high heat, and reduce the sauce for about 3 minutes. Continuously pour the sauce over the char siu. At this point, the internal temperature of the chicken is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We have made a restaurant quality Char Siu chicken in just 30 minutes. There's no fancy equipment, no hours of marinating or slow cooking. If you like to make Char Siu chicken in the oven, I also have a super tasty recipe right here.
This is incredibly delicious and so easy to make. Here I have a little test for you. What ingredients did I use to give Char Siu the red color? Please comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!